Alright. Like the last time, I had the yellow and pink slime. You guys call it floor putty. I call it slime. So, got the orange one now. We got the blue one. All we need is the green. All we need is the green and purple now. Okay? I'm gonna get purple. We already had the pink before. Made a video with that. Okay, this is really good. Smells like a tangerine. I get these from Dollar General. This one is my favorite, the blue one. And I'm getting 2 more today. We just got these today. And the other one's about 1.5 weeks ago, maybe. Well, I posted on my channel. And this one smells so good. We're gonna put this one back in its container. Sorry, that took a while. I'm gonna put this back in this container.